Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing assets and tools. Open your stable diffusion fork that supports face swapping and load the GUI or notebook. Next, import both source and target photos, choosing high-resolution frontal or slight angle shots so landmarks match. Run the face detector to extract embeddings and align faces. This produces masks, landmarks, and 512D vectors. You do this first because accurate alignment and a clean embedding are the foundation. Without them, the swap will look off or warped. Once done, configure the face swap pipeline. Pick the identity model or low R-ray trained for faces and set swap strength around 0. 4 to 0. 7 so features transfer without erasing expression. Make sure mask blending and color transfer are enabled to keep skin tone and lighting consistent. This prevents that pasted look. Then, run iterative passes, start low resolution for structure, then upsample and refine details, and save intermediate checkpoints so you can revert or blend results if you finish by applying restoration and harmonization to integrate the swapped face. Run Face Restorer to repair textures, then color match and sharpen subtly. Export the final image and also save a layered PSD or separate mask so you can manually correct edges in an editor. If something goes wrong, first recheck alignment and landmarks, then adjust mask feathering and lower swap strength, or regenerate embeddings with a different source shot. These targeted fixes fix ghosting, color mismatch, or identity loss quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.